What am I doing? Burning one of my furniture designs. Hi, over the years I've designed and made a lot of furniture. But of all my clients, I've had about 3 patrons, that is, people who filled their houses up with my designs. Now, one particular client commissioned me to make a settee using my novel tennis racket upholstery method. Of course, she added cushions that she'd made. Now, I'm trying to remember when this was, possibly early 1980s, but sadly the client passed away a few years ago. Much of my furniture was passed down to their adult children, but one piece was passed back to me. But I literally did not have room for it in my home, already full of my own furniture. So sadly, I'm chopping it up and burning it. I guess I could have put it on eBay, but with all the hassle of finding the right buyer and then being offered peanuts, I thought, no, ashes to ashes. It's almost a ritual in preparation for my own departure. Well, you can comment if you like and tell me it was crazy, or maybe you have burned your own creations if you're a furniture maker. Actually, I think it was a bit stupid because it's very much in my style, and it's almost like new several decades on. Thanks for watching.